In this video, we will see how to test the methods inside of the classes. So I'll create a class, export class, let's say cricketer. Alright, so in this class, what I will do, I will add a method. Let's say, now first I will add a constructor, empty constructor, nothing else. Play shot, or let's say return, string return shot played. Alright, I will go to my test. So I will create another test suite, describe testing the methods inside the classes like this array. Now test place the shot, and I will add a callback function. Now what I will do is, I am just thinking to add this like first I will create a global variable, let cricketer. Alright, so here cricketer goes to new cricketer. Alright, now I will write my test case. So expect cricketer dot play shot to be what was I returning? I forgot. Shot played, like that. So should we run this code? I will run this. And passed. For skipped, what is this? These these we did not run, we ran only this one. So testing the methods inside the classes, place the shot, and it is passed. This is how you can test the methods inside of your classes. And this simply thing what I did is that instantiating before running the test case, like this only. I mean, it was nothing sort of special thing. So yeah, that is how you can test the methods inside of the classes. And in the next video we will see how to test the asynchronous code.